Alright, so this next exercise, we put our arms together like this, and then one of them's going to go out in front. And we're going to be like those automated lawn sprinklers, so we're going to go now do the other arm. Now we do both arms. And now we take the sprinkler head off and we go
Very good, very good, yay!
More.
Very good, very good, yay!
And reach up high, take a deep breath in. And gently sigh out. Now, I invite you to pick a flower. It smells so funny to me. And share it with your neighbor. Now we're noticing it's kind of bringing on some allergies, so we're gonna do sneezing laughter.
Very good, very good, yay!
Once more.
Very good, very good, yay!
Okay, now if you look closely in the palm of your hand, you actually have a time-release laughter allergy pill. Don't take it yet. Don't take it yet. I need to tell you about these things, okay? First of all, they will get rid of the allergies right away, but they will kick in with other side effects later when you're not necessarily expecting it, namely, of course, laughter. So, go ahead and take that. See, I didn't warn you later on when this comes back, okay? But now, this is kind of making us drowsy. And we're going to find in a moment that we've all started sleepwalking and we're snoring as we're sleepwalking.
Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay!
Alright, so I see a whole lot of people who are new to laughter yoga who are totally getting it. Am I right? I mean, is that what we're all seeing here? Yeah, this is easy. This is child's play. I mean, literally, we are playing like children here, and that's the point. This laughter comes from within us. And if we listen closely to our bodies, we'll discover that different parts of our bodies laugh in different ways. So this is what we call laughter center. And I'm going to invite you first to touch or point to your throat, and then we're going to do the heart, then we're going to do the belly, and we're going to do the funny bone. And what I ask you to do when you touch each spot is allow laughter to come from there, just discovering whatever sound it is that your body makes from that place, and allow yourself to kind of tune in to whatever's different about other laughs you've already done. So maybe it's the vibration, maybe it's the sound, maybe it's an image that comes to your mind. Go ahead and touch your throat now, and let's find out what it sounds like when you laugh from there.
good, yay!